Okay, hello everyone. So as I promised that I was going to make a video to show you guys how to install this AI tool that helps you to hack ChatGPT. Like it is incredible. This prompt automation is crazy. Like it will get the work done. It will put ChatGPT to work for you. So let's get into the video. Let me show you what you do. So I have already made video on how you can install these extensions on your Kiwi browser. If you've not watched it, try and go over to my videos and look for it. You will see the video. So here now let's add this a this AIPRM extension. So we'll go straight to our extensions. So as you can see, I have this particular um, this particular extension already installed, and it is very powerful. You can use it to automate any kind of prompt that you want from ChatGPT. Whether you want to write voice, or whether you want to write a book, or you want to write a completely 100% human writing. This extension will help you get the job done. So let me also show you how you can download this. I'm assuming you've never watched my video on how to install this. So I'm going to show you how to download this extension. So first we'll go to extension store, which is here. Click on this, and here we are. So here now you just have to zoom in a bit so you can be able to see what you're doing. Sorry. Okay, so here we are. So we click on the search and we type AIPRM. So for ChatGPT, click on that. So as you can see, this is the extension that we need, and I have already downloaded it. It's already installed on my extension list. So I'm just showing you guys how you can search for it and get it. So as you can see, it's already installed on my uh, Kiwi browser. So assuming you've never installed it before, all you just have to do is click on this blue button right here. You'll be able to install it. Once you install, it will now give you other prompts to register, put in your emails and all those normal things. And what you need to do for me is you need to put in the same email that you have on your chat GPT there, so that the two of them can synchronize together. So once you're done with that, you can now go ahead and start giving prompts and see how it works. But meanwhile, let me show you what this app is. Sorry, what this extension is capable of. Right now, we are going to go over to ChatGPT. Let me show you the kind of prompts that this extension has. So here we are. Okay, let me open this. So this is ChatGPT. So for this extension to work properly, you need to put your the Kiwi browser on the desktop side. So put it on its desktop mode so that you'll be able to see the entire screen, and it will be a little bit larger. So as you can see, I've been working with these for a long time now. So, and these are the prompts that you have, and there are about 2,000 plus more of these kinds of prompts right here. So all you just need to do is you need to identify the one that you really need. If you are looking to write SEO content, it is here. If you are looking to attract someone, it is there. If you are looking to use Mid Journey, it is here. If you want to like write human content, they are here. Keyword strategy, all you just need to do is click on the one that you are interested in. Even if you want to write a book, you can write a book by just putting the title, and these prompts will compel ChatGPT to give you a full outline of the book, and then you can now gradually go over the entire thing, putting in, still put the chapters it has given you back to ChatGPT, and it will now give you more content that you can use to fill up the book. So here are the prompts that are here. They are pure and they are genuine. I've tested everything. I mean, you can see how many likes, how many comments that people have given to these prompts. I mean, they are like they are crazy. Like, man, this extension is crazy. Honestly, it's crazy. It puts ChatGPT in a corner that it will never revolt, to never deviate from the instructions given to it. It stays on course, and it becomes exactly the kind of the kind of person or something. Like, it becomes a professional in that particular field that you want it to operate in. So that's just how it is. So now let's try this. Let's write a book. Let's write a book. No, not a book. Let's write a human written, 100% unique, and AC optimized article. So let's choose this one. All right. So I'm going to put in arthritis diet, and then you're going to see the magic right now. You're going to see what this thing does. So click on enter and watch. So here we have our heading, and we have our hashtags and all of this. I mean, this is incredible. And the funny thing is that when you take all of these things and run them through an AI detector, to know whether it was written by an AI or a human being, man, you're going to be shocked that about 80% of these words you're seeing right here will come out as a human written words. All right. So this is incredible. So as you can see right here, we have our entire blog page written down. It's crazy, man. So as you can see, it stopped on the road, and we are going to ask it to continue. Even ChatGPT sleeps sometimes, so it's not a crime to get wary and all of that. So continue writing, please. So we are going to still ask ChatGPT to continue giving us the frequently asked questions page. So right here we have our blog already written down and well optimized. All you just need to do is copy and then paste it. You don't need any rewriting. Honestly, you do not need any rewriting for these things. I assure you. Even if you try it with an AI detector, it's still going to pass. That's how crazy this is. So all you just need to do is copy and then go back to your website and paste. That is all. So this is it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my page. It really means a lot to me. It helps me to be motivated to give you some of these educational videos. Thank you very much, and please go ahead and try this method right now.